Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In some very sad news tonight on Friday the 14th of November 2025, yet another loss to the UK airline industry as Channel Islands airline, Blue Islands, have announced that they will enter administration with immediate effect. Sadly, this will affect the many employees and passengers who would you be travelling with the airline. This comes not long since Eastern Airways ceased operations during October of 2025. The industry has been struggling in recent months and in the last few years. Blue Islands not only operated scheduled passenger services, however, they operated a variety of charter flights. Recently, in 2025, the airline operated between Jersey and Guernsey to Newcastle International Airport, as well as a variety of football charter flights for different Premier League teams. It is going to be a real shame, and we're going to miss seeing this livery on the ATR 72s. This also comes at a time when the Isles of Scilly carrier, Skybus, was due to begin operations using a Blue Islands ATR 72 and their crew on flights between Newquay and London Gatwick. It remains to be seen how this news will affect the upcoming operation of that route and what ends up happening. It is very possible that the Guernsey carrier, Origny, will step in to fill the void. How that is done and what this operation looks like in the coming weeks and months, we will see. Either way, it's still very sad news for Jersey, as Blue Islands has been serving the islands for many, many years. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and again, another massive loss for the UK airline industry at a time which seems to be one airline after another, sadly, not being able to cope with the financial strain of operating in a very tough environment. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.